When Facebook's professional mode is turned on, random people start following you, and your posts get liked by strangers. Sometimes, you don't want that. You just want it to be your friends and family. To do that, all you need to do is turn off the professional mode, and it only takes a minute. Let me show you how. Open the Facebook app and tap your profile picture to go to your profile. Now, most people can't find where to turn it off. They go looking in settings, but it's not there. It's hiding behind the three dots right next to Edit Profile. Tap those three dots, scroll down, and tap Turn off professional mode. Facebook will ask if you're sure. Tap Continue, then tap Turn off. Give it a second, and your profile is back to normal. And don't worry, nothing gets deleted. Your posts and your friends are still there. You just lose the creator tools and the followers. That's it. Your Facebook is back to just your friends and family. Save this in case you ever turn it on by accident. Follow us for more quick tips like this. And tell me what app you want me to cover next.